Hello, I'm Wayne Pecht, and I'm the co-chair of the Trust and Estates Practice Group at Saxton and Stump. People often ask me, what is a pay-on-death account and how does it work? So a pay-on-death account, abbreviated POD, sometimes called an entrust for account, abbreviated ITF, and even sometimes we see PODI, which means pay-on-death instrument, all work the same way and are really all names for the same thing. It's an account which can be a typical bank account, or in Pennsylvania can also be an investment or stock account, which has a designated beneficiary or beneficiaries who will receive the balance of the account upon the owner's death. So the amount in the account passes directly to the named beneficiaries upon the death of the owner. It does not come into the probate estate and is not controlled by the will. One of the benefits of such an account is that very thing, that the money passes directly to the beneficiaries and they have immediate access to it. However, you want to be careful that if you use POD accounts, that they are part of an overall estate plan. Because what can happen is that if enough of the assets are marked as POD or in trust for and pass outside the probate estate, there may not be enough money in the probate estate to pay the debts of the decedent or to pay the expenses of administration or to pay the inheritance tax that's due. And funds that pass through a POD account are subject to inheritance tax. They simply are not part of the probate estate, but they're still subject to tax. And sometimes what can happen is that the beneficiaries of the estate, if they're different from the POD beneficiaries, can end up paying the inheritance tax on the POD account, even though they're not receiving benefit of that account. That's why all estate planning has to be coordinated so that assets pass to the desired beneficiaries and taxes are paid as a cost of administration.